I built six-pack gym from nothing and now makes millions of dollars. And I'm here to teach you how to build yours. Personal trainers, gym builders, stay focused. Stay away from TV, stay away from news. Don't let this noise, the drama, the fear gets in your heart. It's a little seed that will start grow inside of you. This is very important to protect your mind. Stay positive, focus on your mission, building your gym, building your people, building your future. For the past 25 years, I've been staying away from TV, believe it or not, even from music, anything. I switched off everything. I just stay focused on one thing, building my life, building my business, and of course, building the people around me. Now I have a great life. I have a beautiful life because I stayed focused, and I'm here to encourage you to stay away from all these noise and drama. They want your attention. They are great at it. This politician, this religious people, these guys are a pro because they don't produce anything. I learned this when I was in Iran. I realized these people are not producing anything. They're not farmers, potato, or like you as a trainer who are making a difference in your community. No, these people, they want one thing, drama and your attention. So stay away from that TV, switch it off. If your app is constantly showing you all this noise, filter it, get rid of it, stay away from it. This is important. A lot of people come to the gym, they carry that negative energy with them. They come here, they even ask me, Sivash, what do you think about what's happening these days? I tell them, you know what? Grab that hammer, let's go. Let's grab that weight and go at it. That's how we're gonna make ourselves better, by listening to this news, TV, especially if you don't have a purpose, if you don't have a goal, what it does, it shapes your mind. It shapes because you don't have a purpose, so now they give you one. This, I can't emphasize enough on this because it has made such a huge difference in my life. I'll go home, I'll read a book. Imagine putting a couple of hours reading a book, learning how to edit, learning how to market yourself, how anything that you can learn. Let's start stacking up skill versus sitting around and watching news and TV and getting filled up with this fear. I'm telling you, the seed is so small. At the beginning, you don't notice it. And once it's in your heart, and it will grow and become bigger and bigger, and you start hating the world. I remember when I was a security guard, working as a security guard, what did I deal with? Every single day, I dealt with kind of thieves, people were stealing, and I start changing my view toward life. I start not liking people. That's not me. I love people. My message for you today is to stay away from TV, from news. Let's write down your mission. Let's write down your goals. Let's write down what kind of future you want today to remind yourself how important to stay focused.